and as soon as August we start flirting with that month, I am ready to go. So I am here to introduce our fall dash, and I could not be more excited about it. So this is how it's going to work. Get your notebooks. I'll wait. You want to make sure you take notes on this one. Okay, we're ready to go. So this is what we are going to do. We know that we all love to give our opinions. So starting this Sunday, July 31st at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, we are going to be putting out polls, and we want to hear from you guys. What sort of deal you want to see the next day? So I want to hear from you guys. Do you want that 15% off? Do you want free shipping, some crown cash? Either way, we're going to choose that deal that gets the most votes, and that's what we will be launching the very next day. And we are going to be doing this all month long, 30 days of epic, exciting things. Every day at 12 o'clock Pacific Standard Time is when we'll be announcing which deal won the top votes and what wigs and collection it is actually going to be used for. But here's the thing. There are limited deals to be used. So once those codes have been used X amount of times, that deal is gone. So you want to make sure that you are checking back on all of our platforms, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube. That code will be launched on one of those platforms. Again, once those codes are gone, they're gone. And then we get to vote again at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and that will be our very next deal of the day. This is going to be a marathon. Make sure you stretch, cramp. It's gonna work though. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be so much fun. I can't wait to do this with you guys. We're really starting to, go out with the old, in with the new. We're getting totally primed and ready for our winter collection. Over this time, I've really learned what you guys are looking for in the perfect hair crown, and I'm really looking forward to honing in on all those things. But we've got some really beautiful styles here that are going to be gone forever. Dun, dun, dun. So now's the time to grab them. Don't have FOMO. Nobody likes that. So this starts all on July 31st, where we start our votes, and then August 1st, we kick off this fall dash. It is going to be so much fun, a lot of participation. Again, who doesn't love to give their opinion? So that will be starting at 6 p.m. every single night, and then 12 p.m. the next day, we will find out what deal was launched. Join me live. I will be live on across all platforms all month long. It's going to be so much fun. I just can't wait to hang out with you guys. So make sure you are subscribed to all of our social media platforms so you do not miss a beat on anything. We are on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. So make sure you guys are following along. I can't wait for you guys to get all of these beautiful crowns on your wig walls.